How do you maximize the attractiveness of your project and ensure investor trust? Liquidity locking plays a huge role here and is one of the most distinguishable signalers of project trustworthiness. Every project, especially pre-sales, should be locking some of their liquidity. So what is liquidity locking? In this video, we will explain to you what this is and what it protects investors from. To begin, when developers add tokens to liquidity pools, they receive in exchange liquidity provider tokens, known as LP tokens. These represent the liquidity provided in the form of new tokens. Now, the issue is that developers can at any time use the LP tokens to withdraw liquidity from this pool. Liquidity locking involves storing these liquidity provider LP tokens in immutable smart contracts for a predetermined amount of time, your unlocking date. These smart contracts are called liquidity lockers. Liquidity lockers allow developers to preemptively lock away a set percentage of liquidity upon token launch for a specific period of time of their choosing. This prevents them from being able to withdraw all project liquidity and disappearing with it, which also protects the liquidity from hacks. It's an approach that ensures developers don't have control over users' funds in the critical post-launch window. The point of agreeing to proactively lock your liquidity is simple. When an investor sees that a majority of the project's liquidity is locked, whether pre-sale stage or afterwards, they feel safer purchasing the token. This also encourages investors to purchase larger shares of the project's tokens. Projects sometimes choose to create their own locks, meaning some developers may lock their tokens in their own self-created time-lock smart contracts. However, creating your own personal liquidity locker contract is not generally accepted, because these cannot be trusted. If you are the owner of the locker holding your project's tokens, you can easily manipulate the contract and withdraw the funds. Therefore, it's significantly more credible to involve third-party platforms, like the most trusted lockers in the industry, the UNCX Network lockers. The whole idea of liquidity locking was conceptualized by UNCX and actualized in June 2020. We are the industry standard for liquidity lockers, and both projects and investors alike rely on our highly trusted technology. If you have more questions on liquidity locking or would like to lock some funds, please get in contact with us on our main Telegram at UNCX_token or check out our website app.uncx.network.